Today we're gonna talk about 5 different ways that you can use coconut cashew at home. Hi, my name is Courtney. I'm the Director of Brand Marketing here at Haven's Kitchen, and today I'm gonna show you 5 of my favorite recipes using our coconut cashew sauce. First recipe today is our chicken larb salad. Second recipe is our 5-minute coconutty simmered flounder. Next up is our keto Thai basil chicken. And lastly, our Thai mussel curry. Before we get into today's recipes, be sure to like and subscribe so you never miss out on anything. Let's talk now about our healthy chicken larb salad. Typically, larb will be served in smaller lettuce cups, almost like a little taco. But we turned it into a salad that can be eaten as a main course or as a side dish. Our coconut cashew sauce has a really tangy flavor featuring macroot limes, lemongrass, and coconut milk. In a traditional larb salad, you would make the vinaigrette or the salad dressing separate from the minced meat. However, our version, because we want to make it a lot quicker and a little bit more simple, we're going to cook our meat in our coconut cashew sauce to get that same flavor in a fraction of the time. Next up is our 5-minute coconutty simmered flounder. This is a staple in my household that I make almost once a week because it's so delicious, so nutritious, and really easy to make. This dish is so easy and so delicious, it makes you feel like you're eating a gourmet meal, literally in 5 minutes. All you need is a pouch of our coconut cashew and a handful of other ingredients. It's actually kind of crazy how simple it is. The dish is also super versatile. In this recipe, we make it with flounder, but you can make it with shrimp or any other really delicate, delicious, flaky fish. It's really good, guys. You should make it, like no joke. Next up is our keto Thai basil chicken. This dish is really fun, and it's our version of a simplified pad krapao. It comes together in about 10 minutes, and again, it's really great for a quick, easy weeknight dinner. If you're interested in making this, click the link below. Our test kitchen manager, Neil, talks about his experience in Thailand and why he loves this dish so much. And lastly, our Thai mussel curry. If you love curry and you love seafood, you're gonna love this dish. This is another staple in my own household, and I make it every other week. It's true, I do. This dish is so much fun to make. I honestly think that mussels are an underrated home-cooked meal. So easy, really delicious, pairs beautifully with our coconut cashew sauce, and when those mussels steam and let out all of those delicious juices, so yummy. If mussels kind of make you nervous to make at home, don't worry about it. Actually, they're a lot easier to make at home than you would think. I only started making them a couple months ago, and again, I have to make them at least every other week now because they're so easy. Literally, all you have to do is make your sauce, put the mussels in there, and let them steam. So yummy. If any of these recipes sound good to you, you can find the full videos linked below. Let us know which ones are your favorite. We can't wait to hear from you. If you're wondering where to find our coconut cashew sauce, check out our store locator on havenskitchen.com to find us in a grocery store near you. And remember, every single one of our sauces are fresh, absolutely no added sugar, no preservatives, gluten-free, vegan, so you're going to find them in the refrigerated section. Thank you so much for watching. Hi, Mom.